Unveiling the meaning of off course, a guide for English learners. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a commonly used phrase that can be a bit confusing for learners, off course. Whether you've come across it in a book, heard it in a conversation, or stumbled upon it while navigating the English language, understanding this phrase is a key part of mastering the language. So let's get on course to explore what off course really means. The phrase off course literally refers to a deviation from a planned or intended route. Imagine a ship or an airplane intended to follow a specific path, but due to some factors, it veers away from it. That's being off course. In a more figurative sense, it can describe any situation where someone or something does not follow the expected plan, direction, or behavior. For example, if you're working on a project and you start doing activities that aren't helping you complete it, you're going off course. Understanding a phrase also involves knowing how to use it in sentences. Here are a few examples. 1. After the storm, the ship was off course and took several hours to return to its original path. 2. I was on a diet, but I went off course when I started having dessert with every meal. 3. The discussion was interesting, but we went a bit off course from the main topic. Notice that off course is often used with verbs like went or is to indicate the action of deviating or the state of being away from the planned direction. A common mistake is confusing off course with of course. While off course indicates deviation, of course is a phrase used to signify that something is obvious or to give permission in a polite manner. For example, of course, you can borrow my book. Beyond its literal usage, off course can be quite metaphorical. In personal development or career planning, someone may say, I felt off course in my career, so I decided to go back to school to realign with my goals. Here, off course metaphorically describes the feeling of not being aligned with one's objectives or plans. I hope this video has illuminated the path to understanding the phrase off course. It's a handy expression that can describe a wide range of situations, from literal misdirection to figurative deviations in plans or behavior. Remember, mastering phrases like these will help you navigate the English language more confidently. Keep practicing, and soon, staying on course with your English learning journey will be a breeze. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.